Alright guys, sitting here working on this Cfmoto. This is a Cforce 110. If you've got one, I'm sorry, because it's been nothing but a turd for us. But hopefully you've got better luck. Anyway, so we've had nothing but trouble since we've got this thing, but it's been sitting for a little bit because it wouldn't start, and I forgot about it. Now it's time to ride again, so I was going to look at it and see what was going on. Thought it was just dead battery. Already tried to jump it. It's actually got 12.5 volts, so that's perfectly fine. I've checked all the fuses. They seem to be good. Relays seem to be fine. And can't really find anything. I haven't really found anything, but I just took the ignition switch off here. And if you'll come over here and look. Here, come around back this side. If you'll look right here, you'll see how that's all dirty. And I'm hoping that the whole problem is that we're just not getting a good connection on the ignition switch. So I'm going to clean this up, put it back together, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I wish I would have left that off so I could get a picture of it. But I cleaned those contacts up. All I did was take you a little razor blade or knife or something, clean those contacts up real nice where it gets and shiny, and then put it back together, and voila, we got power. So if you ever have any issues where this screen right here is not coming on, but you have battery voltage, and there's two fuses right here that I checked and they were both good, but if you have this issue, check the contacts on here and maybe you'll be okay.